Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but on my channel I do provide the points for all three programs, and I also share calories as well. However, you don't need to be following any type of weight loss program to get tips and ideas for my channel. So this week I'm bringing to you a very small Aldi haul, a Walmart grocery pickup, and then my meal plan for the week. So I'm going to start down here with the Aldi haul. I don't have a total amount spent on the Aldi haul because it was very small, and my husband actually picked this one up and he didn't send me the receipt. So, and he can't remember how much it was. For my Walmart grocery pickup, it was a little bit under $100. I think it was like 98 something. So let me start down here. I got some center cut bacon. This is 2 slices for 1 point. If you're counting calories, it is 70 calories for 2 slices. I also got some French style green beans. These are 0 points on all programs. If you're counting calories, it is 20 calories for a half a cup. And then back here I got some white bread, which is 2 points per slice. So this is typically not the kind of bread that I get. However, I've mentioned I am currently going through an ulcerative colitis flare. So basically fiber and whole wheat are out. So that's why I have to go to this. So for the calories on this, it's 70 calories per slice. He also picked up these mini chocolate chip cookies for our grandson, and these have 12 little pouches in them. These are 6 points per pouch. And calories on this is 130 calories per pouch. And then some Cinnamon Crunch Squares. These are basically Aldi's version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and except for the difference is these are only like $1.39 or something like that. 7 points for 1 cup, 3 points for half a cup. If you're counting calories, 180 calories per cup. And back there, my husband got some Sunkissed Zero. It's 0 sugar Sunkissed. They used to sell Diet Sunkissed, so I'm not sure if it's the same. We got some more Elevation bars. We really, really like these. These are the caramel nut. These ones are 5 points per bar and 130 calories. And we also got some crinkle cut fries and some seasoned fries. We just like to keep fries in our freezer just for something like on the weekend if we want something to throw together with like as a side. However, I forgot that he got these, and as you'll see in my Walmart haul, I picked up some more fries. So we have plenty of fries and all different kinds. So for these ones, we got crinkle cut and seasoned fries. And these ones for the crinkle cut are 3 points for 3 ounces. And if you're counting calories, 110 calories. And then for the seasoned fries, it's 4 points for 3 ounces or 140 calories. And I also scanned these on purple and they did not come out to 0 points. So must be something in there that's not 0. So that's it for my Aldi haul. Like I said, just a few things from Aldi. Actually, the Sunkissed was not from Aldi. That was from Walmart. So now I'm going to share with you my Walmart grocery pickup. From Walmart, I got some ground turkey breast, 0 points on blue and purple, 1 point for 4 ounces on green, and if you're counting calories for 4 ounces is 120 calories. I also got some chicken breast, which is 0 on blue and purple, and I forget, 1 point for, I think it's like 5 ounces on green. I can't even remember. I'll put it up on the screen. And if you're counting calories, 140 calories for 4 ounces. I also got some honey roasted turkey breasts. I actually wanted oven roasted, but they didn't have any, so they substituted it with the honey roasted, which is fine. I actually like the honey roasted. It's just that it's a little bit higher in points. For this, it's 2 ounces is 1 point for all programs. And if you're counting calories, 70 calories for 2 ounces. And then we got some of these. These are Johnsonville Parmesan Italian sausage. These are like special occasion things. They are so good though. But these are 9 points for 1 sausage link. So what I usually do is I have this with some really low sides. So I try like on the weekend I might have it and have it with like a 3 point side, like maybe load up some vegetables and have 3 points worth of potatoes or something. And then I don't have bread on it. I just eat just the sausage itself, but these are really good. So 9 points for 1 link, and if you're counting calories, it's 260 calories for a link. And then we got some turkey pepperoni. For this kind, it's 15 slices for 1 point or 25 slices for 2 points. If you're counting calories, it's 70 calories for 17 slices. Also got some pork tenderloin, 2 points for 4 ounces on all programs. And if you're counting calories, 130 calories for 4 ounces. Back there, we got some more everything rice cakes. Those are 1 point for 1 rice cake, 3 points for 2. And if you're counting calories, they are 50 calories per cake. We also got these chocolate ones, which we actually tried and they're pretty good, but they are a little bit higher. They're 2 points for 1 rice cake or 5 points for 2, and calories is 60. And then fruits and vegetables, we got some carrots, some broccoli, some big beef steak tomatoes, some onions, green peppers, lettuce, and I think that's it. I didn't get any fruit this week just because fruit is kind of hard on my stomach right now, so I'm not going to be doing any fruit. So on these vegetables, they are 0 points, and then if you're counting calories, very minimal calories. I'm not going to go through that because it just depends on how much you have of them. I also got some reduced sodium chicken broth, 5 calories for 1 cup. 0 points on all programs. Some pretzel crisps. I haven't had these in a while, so I'm going to have these. These are 3 points. This is the everything flavor. 3 points for 1 ounce or 110 calories. I also got some Heinz Homestyle gravy. This is the pork kind, and this you can have quite a bit. 2/3 of a cup for only 1 point. If you're counting calories, 20 calories for 1/4 of a cup, so that's pretty good gravy. I also got some sprinkles, some rainbow sprinkles, some everything bagel seasoning mix. I got some jelly. This is 3 points for 1 tablespoon. If you're counting calories, 50 calories for 1 tablespoon. That is not the light sugar kind. That's just regular jelly. I also got these baby reds, which I wasn't even thinking. These have skins in them, so I won't be able to eat those right now. 4 points for 1/4 of a cup dry, which I think comes out to about 1/2 cup. Prepared, it says 140 grams, so but I think it's about 1/2 cup. 120 calories for the 1/4 of a cup dry. I got some Parmesan, 2 tablespoons for 1 point. Counting calories, it is 20 calories for 2 teaspoons. I also got some Skippy natural peanut butter, 2 tablespoons for 6 points. And this, of course, high in calories, 190 calories for 2 tablespoons. And then we got some sliced potatoes. For this kind, it's 2/3 of a cup for 2 points, 0 on purple. And if you're counting calories, 60 calories per serving, which is 2/3 of a cup, or the whole container is 160 calories. And then I got some part skim mozzarella cheese, 2 points for 1 ounce. If you're counting calories, 70 calories. I got some Laughing Cow cheese, the garlic and herb. And again, I mentioned this several times. For the garlic and herb, it's 1 point for 1 wedge. If you have 2 wedges, it's 2 points. So some of the Laughing Cow cheese, when you have 2 wedges, it becomes 3. And the calories on this one are 30 calories. I also got a block of Parmesan cheese. That's 3 points for 1 ounce. If you're counting calories, 110 calories for the ounce. And like I said, I got some more French fries, so I got some extra crispy fast food fries and some golden crinkles. So for these ones, it is 5 points for 3 ounces or 130 calories. And for these ones, it's 3 points for 3 ounces or 100 calories. So calorie-wise, these ones are best out of the 4. And point-wise, I guess it was a tie between this one and I think there was another one from Aldi that was 3 points. And then I got some Cool Whip, 3 tablespoons for 1 point. And if you're counting calories, 20 calories for 2 tablespoons. And some hamburg buns, which actually I meant to get hot dog buns, and I thought I had both hot dog and hamburg in my cart, but all I got was the hamburg, and I checked my receipt and I didn't get charged for the hot dog buns. So I wanted those actually for the Johnsonville brats. My dad and stepmother are coming over this weekend, so my husband figured he would cook those up for them. So that's why we're getting buns too. Otherwise, if it was just me and my husband, we wouldn't do the buns. So these Hamburg buns, these are white, the white ones, and these are 3 points. So usually I always thought that most white buns were 4 points for a bun, but these ones are coming out at 3. And then we also got some coffee. We switched coffee makers recently. We used to have a Keurig, so we used K-Cups, and now we have the Ninja Specialty coffee maker, which we absolutely love. And so now we switched to regular coffee, and we decided to kind of try and see if we could be a little bit more frugal and save some money and try some generic coffee. So we tried the Great Value Classic Roast Coffee, and we really like that. And let me tell you what a savings it is, because I think we get this whole big thing for, I don't know, I think it's like $7 and something. It's really cheap. And then we also got some Scott paper towels, and actually I think my husband picked that up at Aldi, because I didn't order those. That was one from Aldi. So I think I hit everything in the grocery haul. So now let me show you my meal plan for the week. If you're new to my channel, I typically do the same thing for breakfast and lunch 3 days a week. I put it down here for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but there are days where I might mix it around. Like I might end up doing Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You know, we may swap things around during the week. And I'm doing it for my husband and I. And also, if you're new, if you want one of these meal plans, they are on my website. I'll put the link down below. You're welcome to go there and print them out. They are free. All right, so for this week, here is what I have planned. My friend Michelle has been making my birthday cake overnight oats, and she keeps posting them and tagging me in Instagram, and I have been saying I need to make those again. So I am gonna make the birthday cake overnight oats this week. And the one thing with overnight oats, those do typically last longer. So I'm gonna do 4 of those. I know we love those, so I don't mind making 4 at all. So those will actually have Monday through Thursday. Those are 5 points on blue and green, 1 point on purple, and 233 calories. And like I said, that is going to be Monday through Thursday. And then Friday morning, I'll probably just do like a bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. 5 points on blue and purple, 7 points on green, 253 calories. I put that down, but really Thursday and Friday for my breakfast and lunch, it really just kind of depends what I feel like having later in the week. Those are kind of the 2 days that I kind of see what we have for leftovers. And then for lunch this week, I'm going to do a chicken and rice. I can't even remember what website I found this on. I'm going to be linking all the recipes that you see here will be linked down in the description box below. So go down there, you can check those out. So I will have the direct link to that website. I can't even remember where I got this recipe, but it's basically just an Instant Pot chicken and rice recipe, and I'm going to be adding some broccoli to it. I have 3 points on blue and purple, 4 points on green. The 250 calories is off of the actual website, but that website uses like real butter and things like that. So I'm probably not going to be using, I'll probably use light butter. So it'll probably bring the calories down a little bit. I do think it's probably going to be a little bit more on the points though, because the points honestly is just based on the rice. So depending if I add the light butter, things like that, it may be 1 more point higher than that. So that will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then Thursday, I'm probably going to do maybe an egg salad, just some eggs with some light mayonnaise. And that's it. Dinner that night will be pretty low, so I'll probably go ahead and put it on bread. And then Friday for lunch, I have down a turkey salad or leftovers, depending. When I say a turkey salad, just basically some turkey breast cut up in a salad. And I estimate that to be 3. Just kind of depends what I feel like putting on it that day. For dinners this week, oh, I forgot to write the points down for that. Okay, I had to write down the points for salmon night. So this week we're going to do garlic Parmesan salmon. That's 2 points on blue and purple, 10 points on green, and 290 calories. We are going to pair that with rice for 3 points or 110 calories, I believe the rice that we have is. And then broccoli or asparagus. I put broccoli, but then when I realized I'm having broccoli at lunchtime, I may do asparagus, but I don't think we have any, so it really just depends if we end up buying any. Honestly, I could eat broccoli every single day, so that doesn't bother me. Tuesday night, I had this on the menu a couple weeks back and we never ended up making it. You all know things kind of got all out of whack the last couple weeks for me, so I'm going to try and do that again this week. That's blue cheese buffalo meatballs. It's 3 points on blue and purple, 5 points on green, 255 calories, and I'm just going to pair it with some ranch cauliflower for 2 points and 98 calories. Wednesday night is garlic herb pork tenderloin with potatoes and carrots, and actually gravy too. The pork gravy that I bought, I'll use with that. And that with the gravy is going to be 9 points on blue, 6 points on purple, 12 points on green, 388 calories. Thursday night, we're actually going to do a breakfast for dinner. It's going to be chicken sausage breakfast bowls. Those are 4 points on blue, 1 point on purple, and 8 points on green, and only 239 calories. So if you wanted to add some things to this, you can. This one is really low, 239 calories. That's a very low dinner for me. So what I will probably do that night is double the amount that I have, or I'll just have something for, you know, a higher point for a snack later. I am using, hi Molly, you want to say hi? Say hi, girl. Say hi, Molly. Molly is doing so much better, aren't you, girl? She's doing real good. Oh, baby. So I will probably have a double portion of that. And then Friday night for dinner, we are going to do strombolis. And that is 8 points on blue and purple, 9 points on green, and 338 calories. And then for the weekend, I don't normally write down the weekend. I've mentioned before, usually we just don't plan the weekend ahead until we get a little bit closer. But it is Easter weekend, so I do know Sunday we'll have an Easter dinner. And I think we're probably just going to do basic ham, scalloped potatoes, and green beans, something basic. So what I will probably do is something really light Saturday. We'll probably have a big breakfast. I don't mean a big calorie breakfast, I just mean a big breakfast, like potatoes, eggs, some Canadian bacon, things like that, some toast. And then usually when we do a big breakfast, I don't have lunch. And then for dinner, I'll do something light like grilled chicken salads or something like that. And then that way I won't feel as guilty eating a little extra on Easter Sunday. And then for my snacks this week, I don't have the points or calories, but most of these I had in the grocery haul anyway, so you saw those. Pretzel crisp, rice cakes, Laughing Cow cheese, pudding, and caramel nut bars. I think the only thing I didn't have in the grocery haul was the puddings. Those are 2 points. They're the sugar-free pudding. Those are 2 points each. So that's my meal plan and grocery haul this week. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.
You're perfect as you are. Just the